Good evening, all. If you are preparing for UGC NET English, listen to this short video very carefully because yesterday's exam, January 2026 cycle or December 2025 cycle, has clearly changed its priorities. For example, I'll tell you, they asked nearly 10 plus questions from Indian literature, nearly 10 questions from cultural studies, 10 plus questions from literary theory, nearly 10 questions from linguistics, and 10 questions from comprehension. Okay, and these things show you that in yesterday's exam, 50 plus questions were not even part of British literature. I told you, Indian literature, 10 plus questions. Cultural studies and linguistics, nearly 20 questions. Literary theory, nearly 10 questions. And research methodology, 2 to 3 questions. And linguistics, literary criticism, you have got nearly 8 questions. So overall 60 questions. 60 questions do not even belong to British literature. This doesn't mean that British literature will be ignored. See, British literature is still very much there. 60 questions do not come under British literature, which means obviously 30 to 40 questions from British literature. Still, it is a majority area. But remember, it is only one part, not the whole thing. You should concentrate on all the units given in the syllabus for UGC NET English. The biggest mistake aspirants are making, for years, many aspirants believe if I master British literature, I can clear UGC NET. That phase is actually over. Gone are the days, as we explained in the last video, where British literature alone dominated the exam. Yes, British literature still gives the highest number of questions, but that alone is not enough to qualify the exam anymore. So concentrate on all the areas. Thank you all. Best wishes to everyone.